Hello guys, I am Deepak Jamtani from International School of Business and Media. We are here at Lee Meridian doing a survey on consumer behavior. Here we came across a lot of big shots from different fields and we asked several questions to them. Let's hear their feedback, what they said about this hotel. Friends, now I would like to introduce you to a man who need no introduction, Mr. Narayan Murthy. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
I am a management student. We are doing a small survey on consumer behavior toward Lee Meridian.
Very good.
So regarding that, I would like to ask you, what factor attract you to choose this place?
You mean Le Meridian?
Yeah.
When it comes to Le Meridian, apart from the ambience which it provides inside the hotel, it's very different. It gives me a very different kind of feeling. I have been for the first time in Le Meridian, Pune, in fact.
Okay.
But we have already been organizing various conferences and parties at different parts of India in Le Meridian.
Yeah.
So the same thing I perceive that Le Meridian as a group, the same ambience would be providing in Pune also. I wanted to take an experience, and so we have organized a conference over here this time.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're very nice.
For sparing your valuable time for me.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Just now we had a talk with the software tycoon of India, and now a lady sitting next to me who is the president of Indian National Congress Party, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi. Namaste. Ma'am, this year we have heard that your party is going under a lot of controversies. So what are the steps that your party is taking to cope up with these controversies?
आपको तो पता ही है कि राजनीति में काफ़ी उतार चढ़ाव होते रहते हैं, लेकिन हमारी सरकार इसे आशावादी तरीके से लेती है। हम काफ़ी कोशिशें कर रहे हैं, जिसका परिणाम आपको जल्द ही पता चलेगा।
मैम, जैसा कि आप जानती हैं कि हम एक छोटा सा सर्वे कर रहे हैं कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर ऑन ली मेरिडियन पे। उस सिलसिले में मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि आपने ली मेरिडियन को ही क्यों चुना?
जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, ली मेरिडियन पुणे के बेहतरीन होटलों की सूची में आता है। खाने पीने रहने के साथ साथ जो आवश्यक है वो है कड़ी सुरक्षा, और मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि ली मेरिडियन पुणे वो प्राप्त कराता है। इसलिए मैं जब भी पुणे आती हूँ, मैं ली मेरिडियन में ही रुकती हूँ।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैम, आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा। नमस्ते।
जय हिंद।
Hey guys, just now we came to know a famous Hollywood couple, Brangelina, is in LM. Let's meet them. Come on. Hi Angelina. Hi Brett.
Namaste.
Oh, namaste. It seems you guys have adopted Indian culture, huh?
Absolutely. India, we just love it. India is full of colors, festival and the culture. The way you people respect your guests, I just love it. What's that, Anji?
Exactly, and the food here, it's awesome, it's amazing, I must say. And the pani puri especially, I had that and it was amazing. And we also had a ride in auto rickshaw and that was really cool.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah, Anji.
So guys, I am doing a survey on consumer behavior towards Lee Meridian. Regarding that, I want to ask you a question if you don't mind.
Sure, go ahead.
Not at all.
Why you guys choose Lee Meridian?
See, because why I choose Lee Meridian Pune in India, because I always stay in Lee Meridian Paris. Whenever we go, we always prefer LM all over the world. LM provides the same kind of lifestyle which we offer. It provides me gym, it provides me bar, it provides me snooker table, and the other. And when Angie is really comfortable. And what's the Angie?
Yeah, and here the food is amazing, the drinks, the spas, and I believe it's a home away from home. They offer us the kind of sophistication we need. So whenever I get a chance to visit India again, obviously we would stay in Lee Meridian and no other hotel.
Even our daughter Zara is really love this place.
So yeah.
Thank you sir, thanks a lot. It was fun talking to you guys.
All the best, young lads.
Hey guys, let's check out who is the next person we are going to meet. Hey, who is that interesting chap standing out there? Come on guys, let's check out. Hi, excuse me.
Yeah.
Hello sir.
Hi.
I'm Deepak Jamtani doing my management studies from Pune.
Okay.
I would like to have your small intro.
Okay. Well, Deepak, I'm Steven. I'm Steven Raja. I'm basically from California, USA. And by profession, I'm a doctor. And right now, I'm just enjoying my music. I guess that's all.
Great, great.
Yeah.
It was nice meeting to you, Mr. Roger.
Uh-huh.
Mr. Roger, I'm doing a small survey on consumer behavior towards Lee Meridian.
Mm-hmm.
For that, I would like to know why you preferred Lee Meridian among other hotels in Pune.
Well, Deepak, what to say about Le Meridian? Le Méridien is a fantastic place to visit upon. And I also happen to go to Le Méridien Paris, and now I am in Le Méridien Pune. And I guess the kind of theme that the hotel adopts, it adopts a theme that is basically based on the culture of a concerned country. And apart from it, the kind of hospitality and the kind of quality of food that the hotel provides is also awesome. Apart from all of these things, at the end of the day, I'm a doctor by profession, so I always stress upon hygiene and cleanliness. And I guess all of these things I get at par. Rather, it's great in LM. When it comes to hygiene, it's all great in LM. So I guess it's the best place for me, and so I'm here.
Thanks a lot, sir. Nice
Thank
meeting to you.
Okay, it was great talking to you, and all the very best for your career and for this project.
Cool. So friends, how is it going on? Now let's see who is the next great man we are going to meet. Hyla, Sachin. It's pleasant to meet you, sir. I'm your great fan. I still remember your spectacular performance in Sharjah innings, where you single-handedly brought the glory to India. Very great, sir. Great, sir. Sir, actually we are doing a survey on consumer behavior towards Le Méridien. And I would like to ask you, why Le Méridien?
Yeah, many of my friends and relatives stay in the Le Méridien whenever they visit Pune, and I heard a lot about Le Méridien from them. And whenever I get some free time from my hectic schedule, as you all know that, so I just usually go to exotic places to refresh myself and to prepare myself for next inning. That's why I'm here in Le Méridien.
Great, sir. Great. It was nice meeting to you. Okay. Thanks a lot, sir.
And best of luck for your career.